Today's topic is 5 landforms, Unit 2, 4th Standard Social Science. Here is an introduction to the landforms. So we can see fields, houses, tree, stones, dry lands around our house or around our surroundings. So like this only we can see more features on our earth. For example, we'll have hills, forest, fields, seashores and dry land. So here are some questions. Where would you see more hills on earth? Answer is mountains. Where would you see wild animals with more trees? Forest. Where does the paddy grow? Agricultural land. Where would you see the seashore? Sea or beach? What is the name of useless lands? Called fallow lands. The places we see on the surface of the earth is called landforms. Okay, let's talk about physical features and landforms of Tamil Nadu. So as we know, in the solar family, Earth is the third planet. And on this Earth, we have oxygen and temperature to live. So that's why we call the Earth as biosphere. And Earth is surrounded by land, water and air. Now, let's talk about the 5 elements of nature. So they are land, water, air, fire, sky. Okay, now, physical features of the land. So we have one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Mountain, forest, plain, seashore, and dry land. So these are the 5 types of landforms in Sangam age. This was done based on the work done by the people. So out of these 5 Tinais, only 4 were permanent. They were Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam and Neithal. And the fifth land, Palai, was formed only when Kurunji and Mullai dried up. Okay, here we have mountains or Kurunji land. So what is a mountain? Mountain is a large geographical area that rises above the surrounding land with peaks. So the mountain and its surroundings are known as Kurunchi land. Now the theme deals with the God, people, occupation, plants, flowers, animal, birds and musical instrument. So here we have in detail about the theme. So God is Murugan, people are called Kuravar, occupation of the people is was hunting, gathering roots and honey. The plant or flowers were bamboo or kurunji flower. Animal and bird is monkey, deer, parrot and peacock. The musical instrument is kurunji. Now, the people and their occupation. So here they have given the different occupation of this Kurunji people. Now, we have soldier, we have leader of the tribe, we have master of martial art, we have hunter and gatherers and people of the mountain forest. So I just want you to go through with your child. I don't want them to study and remember everything, but I just want you to go through uh, about the people and the occupation. Now, the soil of Kurunji land was of red and black soil. The miraculous flower is called Kurunji, which blooms once in 12 years. The second landform is the forest or Mullai land. So, what is a forest? A large area covered by trees is called forest, and this forest region is referred as Mullai land. And the region is also called as Sembulam due to the presence of red soil. Here again, they have different god. God is Thirumal. People are called Idayar, Ayar, occupation is cattle rearing or gathering fruits and sowing millets. The plant or flower found is guava or mullai flower. Animal birds found are bear, rabbit, and parrots. Now, the people and their occupation. Here you have milk seller and cattle raider. And the soil of Mullai land is red soil with stones and pebbles. And here you have the second biggest mangrove forest in India, which is Pichavaram. It is a village near Chidambaram in Kodloru district of Tamil Nadu. The third landform is field or Marudam land. The vast flat land on the earth is called plain, and the crop fields and the surroundings were known as Marudam. That is mainly the agricultural land and the area around it. Again, here they have given uh, God, people, occupation, plant, flower. So make your child go through it. You don't have to make them really learn it, but they should just go through it and know a little bit about it. So here the important thing is Kalanai Dam. So it's an ancient dam built across River Kaveri in Tanjore district in Tamil Nadu. So it is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. So this is important. So I want the child to learn this part. Okay, the fourth one is seashore or Netherland. The salty water body that covers a large part of the surface of the earth, and it is called as sea. And the sea and the area around the sea is called Nether. Again, here you have like before God, people, occupation, plant or flowers, animal, birds, etc. Now here the important part is Marina Beach. So Marina Beach is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and it is the second longest beach in the world. And it is situated in the eastern side of India along Bay of Bengal. Okay, the last one is dry land or Palai land. So a dry region with less or without rainfall is called as a dry land. So it has sandy land and it undergoes drought because there is less rain or no rain at all for long time. So when Kurunji and Mulai dries up, it is called Palai. Okay, let's move on to evaluation and book back exercises. So the first question is write the name of the trees around your school. So in our school we have mango tree, we have banyan tree. Fill in the blanks. The vast flat land on earth is called plain. Dash is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. Answer is Kalanai Dam. Dash Forest is located in Kanyakumari district reserve forest. The agriculture land and the area around is called Marudam. Dash is the second biggest mangrove forest in India, Pichavaram forest. Marina Beach is located in Chennai. Here we have matched the following. So Murugan, answer is Kurunji. Thirumal, answer is Mullai. Indiran, answer is Marudam. Varunan, answer is Nedal. Kotravai, answer is Palai. Then comes the answer in short. Name the five Tinais. So you have Mullai, Palai, Kurunji, Marudam, Nedal. Next is what is Kurunji land? The mountain and its surroundings. Name the flower which blooms once in 12 years. Answer is Kurunji. What is forest? A large area covered by trees. Name the second largest beach in the world. Marina Beach. What is dry land? A dry region with less or without rainfall is called a dry land.